Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, November 15th, 2017. Well, folks, just a few days ago, I told you that this was going to be an awesome buy level on IBM. It pierced it today, and already you're seeing on the daily chart the stock is bouncing back above. This is a retrace, a full 100% retrace of the pop on earnings. And again, it's not that I thought the earnings were that amazing, but they definitely were better than expected. And the pop up and the continued 2 days of buying were very good to see, which tells me that, again, to be able to purchase the stock right here in this range, basically getting it at a price prior to where you could have gotten it before the earnings announcement, that's very, very lucky for us as investors. And I do believe that you'll get a swing trade bounce here. My target short term is back to about the 20 moving average. You see this kind of consolidation right here as well. So that should be a short term target there, right back to about 154 in the short term. I do think longer term, if you have a patience for it, you could get it all the way back to the highs here or even higher above 160. But again, take it short term if you want. If you don't trust the market, I don't know how you feel about the market. But again, you can just take it short term and look for the short term bounce. Now, a couple things that are catching my eye here. The IYT today kissing the daily 200 moving average. This likely is putting in a pivot low on the transports, at least in the very short term. So look for the transports to rebound. To confirm that, take a look at ALK today, which is an airline stock. Look at that bounce today off lows. If you want to look at another one, AAL, also getting a bounce. Even UAL, which has been troubled, is turned green today off of the lows. So that's a very nice move there. And again, in my opinion, the transports are going to begin to turn up here in the very short term for a little while. Now, overall, we'll have to see where money flows out of. It seems like money's just rotating in this market. We'll have to see again how that trades out. But definitely some interesting action here in the market. A couple other things I want to go over here as we analyze things through and through. And if we take a look at Apple today, AAPL, getting very close and tagging this trend line, and this is a good trend line just to take note of here. If you zoom out and you connect this high to right here, it cuts right through here, and then we broke above it, and now we've retraced in and touched that level. That is support on Apple. If you also take a look at gap fill, you put a trend line right here from where this was before earnings, the day before, the day it closed, and it reported after the bell. This is where it closed. It reported earnings after the bell. The next day it gapped up and went like this. It has now retraced into support. So you actually have support here on Apple as well for a short-term bounce. And when I say short-term, I mean relatively short-term. I mean, I don't like Apple long-term. I think it's pricey. If there's any hiccup in the iPhone X sales out there, it's going to be trouble in River City here. So I would say that if you want to play it for a bounce maybe back here in the next couple days to about 171, 172, maybe $3 bounce or so, that's okay. But I would say after that, start to move out because I expect a bearish pattern to form and more downside to come in on Apple. All right, guys, again, these are just my updates here. We've had a great day in the intraday stock chat, a couple winning trades there, as well as a great winning 25% winner in the research center in 24 hours. Profits continue to swell here, folks, at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Remember, you can take the 7-day free trial to the research center for swing trades. You get videos in there. You get everything, including live trades, as well as you could take a 7-day free trial to the chat room, the intraday stock chat, where I'm giving day trades every single morning with the traders in there. And that's just an awesome opportunity to make some easy money in the day trading world. All right, so again, folks, that's all I have for you now. Have a great day. Come join us. Take the 7-day free trial at InTheMoneyStocks.com.